Bum ba dum bum 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 ba dum. Woo! Bum ba dum bum bum bum. Woo! Bum ba dum bum bum. Woo! Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, everybody. I'm going all in. That's right. You heard it here first. I'm going all in. J Dizzy. JD. As a matter of fact, this is totally not a clickbait video by me saying all in, but really I only bought $1,000. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I just invested $1,000 into JD stock. Why? Because he got freaking decimated. So apparently they just released earnings. Wasn't even tracking it. Very busy boy, taxes, kids, gym. I don't have time to watch this crap, track this crap. But apparently JD released earnings, and I believe they beat earnings expectations, but their revenue by revenue wasn't as high as expected. And as we all know, revenue is a very important component of value. Now, a couple of months ago, I made a video about JD. I did a fundamental, very easy analysis, DCF, which I made myself because I'm a genius. I just copied everything money stuff. I know. Sue me. And I got a buy target of roughly $62 for JD to get a 15% compounded annual return. Now, I know all you clowns are going to get mad and talk trash in the comments because Chinese stocks went down. That means they're really bad because they went down. And you don't really own the stock, even though it doesn't freaking matter. And, oh my God, you're just going to lose all your money. Delisting. Well, guess what? I'm willing to take that risk because I think the fears are overblown, okay? Sure, we might delist, some stupid trash company that has zero revenue or something like that, or some scam companies. I don't think we're going to delist all these big companies like Baba, JD, stuff like that. I'm not worried about that. So, getting back to the lesson. So I did a fundamental analysis. Jesus Christ, people keep messaging me. I did a fundamental analysis, and I said, okay, at 62, it's a good buy point. Now, I've been hesitant to buy for a while because I want to focus on maxing my tax advantage accounts and buying index funds. And that's where the vast majority of my money is still going. As a matter of fact, I've put, I think just this year alone, $7,000 into, and that's not including my IRAs. I put $12,000 into VT with my wife's IRA and my IRA. And then I've invested another $7,000 into the mutual fund equivalent, VT Wax. I'm watching these clients walk into our office. Wonder if they're seeing me right now. Who's that boy in there? You need to fire him. So I put a lot of freaking money into these index funds, okay? Now, if I want to spend $1,000 as a small part of my portfolio and speculate on a stock like JD, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Now, I have no problems buying, and I don't care if it goes down from here because I did my own analysis. I used a simple DCF, put in a bunch of assumptions, put in a 15% return, and I got a buy point of $62. Now, I've been holding back. Like I said, number one, I've been buying a lot of mutual funds, and I was also holding back because I just didn't feel like it, okay? I wanted it to drop lower. And then I opened my phone today, but I'm on the crapper. Actually, was I taking a crap? I don't think I was. I think I was peeing or something. But I checked my phone, and I was like, oh my God, JD's down 15%? What is going on here? What changed with the company, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, their revenue didn't do well over the last quarter or year or whatever they just reported. But who freaking cares, okay? The Chinese economy is going through kind of a slowdown. You have lockdowns because of the virus. You got freaking, real problems in the real estate sector. Economies go through slowdowns sometimes. That doesn't mean you just sell all your freaking stocks because they go down. Oh my God. So I said, hey, man, what is it, like $52? I think my buy point was 52, or my cost basis was $52.96 per share, something like that. And I'm going to hold it. As a matter of fact, I'm up like 3% chumps today as of making this video. So what's the lesson here? Okay. Number one, oh my God. People keep freaking messaging me. Can't see, I got to work, then I can only film in my car and people freaking message me. Anyway, the lesson is do your own freaking analysis. Okay. Find a buy point, use conservative assumptions, and if that stock reaches that buy point and you have a little bit of money to invest in it, buy it, okay? And just hold it for years and years and years. And don't worry about what everybody else says. If you're comfortable with it and you've done your own analysis and it's reasonable analysis and you've considered different scenarios, you're gonna be fine, okay? Don't let other people scare you out of buying a stock or convincing you to sell a stock because they give you a bunch of trash advice or they give you a bunch of fear mongering. The reason people hate Chinese stocks, I'm going to say this over and over again, it's only because they went down. That is it. All right. There is no other reason. It's the same reason that everybody loves Tesla. Why do they love Tesla? Because Tesla went up. I see this, everywhere. Those stocks are trash that you bought and they went down. Okay, fine. You can say that. But when I actually look at these stocks, I see profitability. I see growing revenue. I see a bright future for these companies. And I see temporary fear with, the Chinese cracking down on, big tech and, slow down to the real estate sector, et cetera, et cetera. I'm not freaking worried about that, okay? My time horizon is so long. I think these companies are going to be way, way freaking bigger and way, way more profitable in the next 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years, okay? But you don't have to listen to me, and you don't have to buy JD. You really don't have to. I mean, if you're not maxing your tax advantage accounts, you really shouldn't be buying individual stocks. But if you want to dedicate a small part of your portfolio to it, which I've done. I mean, $1,000 is a very small part of my portfolio. Because I'm rich, yes. I'm a billionaire. It's a very small part of my portfolio. So even if JD goes to zero, yeah, it would suck, but I wouldn't be worried about it, okay? And it's the same thing with BABA. BABA's down massively too. I mean, I'm down 50% on my initial investment in Alibaba. My cost basis is 190. I think it's trading at 93 today. I don't care, okay? That stock could go freaking anywhere because of the current climate. But will it be a bigger company 10, 15, 20 years? Will it be more profitable? Yes, I think it will. And I think it might massively outperform the market. I could be totally freaking wrong, okay? So if you're going to buy Chinese stocks, be really careful. Understand why you're buying them. And understand you may lose all your money. And if you acknowledge that and you've done your own analysis, and don't just buy it because I did, do your own freaking analysis, use a DCF calculator, make your own. Once you have your own analysis complete, then you don't have to freaking worry about it, okay? Buy it when you think it's a good buy and hold it and don't let any clowns distract you. I'm sick of all these stupid comments. China went down. China's bad. U.S. stocks went up the last decade more than international. That means U.S. stocks are better. Buy those. You people are so freaking stupid. You guys are crap investors, all you freaking trolls. Y'all suck at investing, all right? Buy the things that go up and sell the things that go down. Morons! Anyway, that's it. I got to go back to work. Choo!